Hello, this is BAUTISTA aka Chino Romero. Here's a beautiful song composed and popularized by David Pomeranz. I'd like to shout out Pretzel Miranda, happy birthday. From your mom and your dad, Francis and Doris Miranda. And from your Tito Ben, happy birthday to you. I hope you like this song.
Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is this sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I searched for an explanation, only one thing it could be: that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspire to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world is what's clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Oh, I was. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I